4 reasons you should start drinking kiwi juice every day. 1. Glowing skin. Kiwi juice has antioxidant properties. These properties help your skin fight the aging factor. It nourishes your skin from the inside, thus you end up with a beautiful glow. By drinking juice of a glass of kiwi every day, the wrinkles are reduced and the complexion is improved. 2. Promotes hair growth. Kiwi juice contains an abundance of vitamin E, which helps in developing your hair, and other mineral and vitamins found in it reduces the problem of your hair loss. 3. Reduces heart problems. Drinking kiwi juice daily is less likely to get blood clot formation in the blood vessels. So, those of you who have high blood pressure problems will certainly get the benefit from it. It helps in reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 4. Reduces the stress. Kiwi juice contains serotonin, which helps in making your mood better, and further it also helps to reduce your mental stress. So these are the 4 reasons you should start drinking kiwi juice every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.